In this video, I am going to introduce you to Shader. Shader is a one-of-a-kind tool in artificial intelligence and augmented reality arena. Shader is already got a lot of attention from the VCs and has got pre-seed of 580k US dollars already. So primarily, Shader is an AR or augmented reality technology that allows users to create their digital identity with voice and speech recognition. What Shader wants to do is they want to provide a voice AR creation for customers as a new option to generate a unique AR experience on their smartphones. And as far as I can see, you can really readily get it the private beta on App Store and you need to apply for it. Now, there are a lot of other cool things going around this shader as far as I can see, as I have tried it on my um, uh, iOS. For example, this year, this is the holiday festive season and everyone is taking selfies. So you might be spending more time with your family and friends, holidays, dinner parties, and so on and so forth. So you might have a lot of selfies. Filters have been a staple of selfies for a while now. Over time, what started as a simple color adjustment has now become a lot more. You can now add filters to your selfies, you can add effects, or you can even use augmented reality to change your own self in a jiffy. So now what you can do is you can make even your own selfie, and you can do that with the help of Shader, which is a new app that lets you create AR AI lenses and filters. That's true, and instantly too. The instantly part might hint at how it works. And there are a lot of other cool things which are happening in the shaders arena. For example, users can generate the filters of their dreams with prompts which can be crafted with either your voice or text, and from there, Shader uses AI to parse those prompts and generate your filter. The best part is that this all takes place on your phone. No need for complex standalone desktop apps. And I know for a fact that the founder of this Shader app, Daria Sasistikaya, is really an expert in AI and AR world either. Before Shader, this Daria launched Wanna Kicks and Wanna Nails, which have already won Golden Kitty Awards in 2019 and subsequent respectively. So really amazing tool. Very impressed by it. I'm more than sure that this is going to rock a lot in the coming days. So keep an eye, play with it if you get the access, and let me know how you go. I'll drop the link to their website in video description so that you can play along. And this thing where shader appears, this is one of the coolest thing I have seen this week. So really hats off to the creators of this visual delight. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.